Wonder why lemonade and stuff like this tastes so good? 43 grams of sugar. Well, does 43 grams of sugar look like? Let's find out. All right, let's get this set up here. Seven grams. All right, another spoonful. 13. Let's keep going here. 27. Well, we're getting close. 37. We need 43. Oh, okay, a little bit over now. So we'll take a little bit out. There we go. 43 grams of sugar. All of this in this small little bottle. This small little bottle is all of this. Let me pour it back in, give you an example here. All this. Just in this alone. And you wonder why things taste good. Your iced coffee at Starbucks tastes good, that you get French vanilla and all this other stuff in it. That's why.